started yet. Oh my days, that reaction was priceless.
Did you faint? I'm calling this a success.
Oh wow! Even your size couldn't save your courage.
You already don't trust me, do you?
Oh my gosh, that face says I'm never forgiven.
If you shout, I'm blaming the cake.
Oh! You acted tougher in my imagination. Alright, bodyguard. Don't attack me for this. You look betrayed already.
Oh, you're gonna scream. I can already tell. I saw that coming, didn't you? Relax, drama star. It's only your cake twin. See? Just vanilla. You're safe.